Welcome back. If you are a veteran, happy Veterans Day, because today is Veterans Day. I am a veteran, happy Veterans Day to me, but that's not why we're here. We are here today to talk about another different topic. Today's topic is going to be about grease. I know, gross. When you were younger, you used grease on your hair. It was sticky, greasy, your hair was plastered to your head, but hear me out. Your hair was longer, wasn't it? When you were a kid, you had longer, fuller, thicker, healthier hair. Am I wrong? Your mom used to keep up with it. She used to always put it in protective style. She used to grease your scalp. She used to grease your hair, and it used to flourish, right? So I was watching a video today on YouTube from a female. I can't remember her name, but I will post the videos down below or a link to her videos so you can watch it too. She's got long, thick, beautiful natural hair. And she gave some tips on what she's been doing for length retention. I'm not getting the retention that I want. I'm not getting the retention I think I should be getting. Say hello to my cat. So I decided, you know what? Maybe I should use some of her tips. And one of her tips was grease. And it makes a lot of sense. If you use a really good deep conditioner, you use a really good leave-in, and you seal it with a petroleum-based or mineral oil-based product, these are really good sealants. It will keep that moisture in your hair, as opposed to using like a coconut oil or a almond oil, something light that doesn't really stay on the hair very well because there's no petroleum. I think it makes sense. So I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on my results. So I went and I bought like a little cheapy one. This is only like $1.50, $1.60. This is the Softy hair and scalp conditioner. I tried to find something that was a little light, that didn't stink, and that was the hard part, something that didn't stink. So this is the one I chose. I don't need a $6 one, anything crazy, because this is just the sealing the moisture. I'm gonna do this for a while. I'm gonna keep you updated, and we're gonna see what results I get. I'm also gonna use some of her other tips. Make sure you go check out her video because her video is very informative. So yeah, there's that. There's the grease. I also bought a couple other products. I just want to tell you guys what else I got so you can see what type of videos we're going to have coming up. While I was at the beauty supply store, I was surprised by this product because I haven't seen it anywhere else. And Kimberly Sherrill did a video on these products, so I'm very curious to try it. I found this. This is the Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia for Dry and Damaged Natural Hair Deep Conditioning Mask. I was very curious about this, and I found it for 10 bucks. At my beauty supply store. The smell it doesn't smell spectacular. It's just a regular smell. So we've got this. We're going to try this out. This will be a video coming up. And I also found the Wetline Extreme Gel. I know it's old, but I haven't tried the clear one. I want to try it. I just recently watched another video on these, and they're saying the clear one is less heavy than the blue one, which I have, and it gives you more elongation and a fluffier result, because I found that the blue one that I have is a little bit too thick for my hair. It weighs my hair down too much, so I don't really like it, and I don't use it that often. So what I'm going to do in a future video, I'm going to go ahead and put these two head to head to see the difference between the results for myself. So if you're interested in seeing this video, or if you're interested in seeing this video for the macadamia Argan and Macadamia deep conditioner, or if you're just simply interested in seeing my results from using grease again, continue to watch my videos. Give me thumbs up, comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Welcome back.